How you guys doing? I'm Andrew over here at Phillips Chevy in Frankfurt. We're in a brand new 2018 Chevy Spark. What I'm going to do is show you the backup camera, which will appear on the radio. Now this is an LS, so this is the basic trim level. The backup camera is standard in all trims. To access the backup camera, you're going to want to put the vehicle in reverse. As you can see here, here's your backup camera. You can see the line of cars behind us. Two options with the backup camera. You can have these lines, or if you hate the lines, you could take them away by pressing that button. What the lines do is it helps you guide you into the spot. So if I turn the vehicle, the path of the lines is the path of the vehicle is going to go, so it makes it easy to back into parking spots. To get the backup camera away, just put it back in park or in drive and it disappears right away. If you got any questions about that, you can give me a call, 815-469-2323, extension 317. Thanks, have a great day.